time is it? It's Coco Art Time!
You know what's the purpose of the fork? Are you doing this? Yeah? Thumbs up? Or you like this? I will trace muna. I will trace this one for the donut because Lexi would like to, Lira would like to draw daw donut. So, Lira, so you make a circle like that using your 1 peso coin. Show me your donut, Lira. Trace. Yung yung kanina, yung orange. And I add some yellow. Make it, I'm working on kiwi. Kiwi, and I'm mixing my yellow and my green. Oh, that's too much. Maybe I also need green. Have to wait for the first layer to dry and then you apply another layer, no? Para mas solid yung color, mas darker. Donut, you start with the white. Okay, Lira, look, oh. Teacher Coco, I'm just adding lang white to my donut. Yan, para clean lang. Go. Okay, good. Thank you. Like lines. See that? I make parang fraction lang. It's like drawing like a pizza, diba? Another, yes. Okay. Show mo yung isa pa watermelon. Show mo. Where's the watermelon? 2 hands, please. Where's your watermelon? Wow! Watermelon and the orange. Okay, thank you. Show me your donut, Lira. Yung yung kanina, yung orange. Lira pala. I keep mix. Lira, show your donut.
Pizza.
Your pizza. Show mo. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, show your art. Everybody, show your art. Badong. Fruits.